Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Authy app for multi-factor authentication backups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Authy app for multi-factor authentication backups, start by opening your device's App Store. If you are using an iPhone, go to the App Store. If you are using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Authy. Locate the official Authy app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its detail page. Click on the Install button to begin the download. Once the app is installed, open the Authy app by tapping on its icon. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Choose your country code from the drop-down list. Enter your phone number accurately and tap Next. You will receive a verification code via SMS or call. Enter the verification code in the app to verify your phone number. After successful verification, you may set up your password for added security. If you want to back up your account, tap on Account Backup. You will be prompted to create a backup password. Enter a strong and memorable backup password. Confirm the backup password by entering it again. Once this step is complete, your Authy app will begin to back up your multi-factor authentication settings. You will now see your accounts listed within the app. To add new accounts, tap on the plus icon. Follow the prompts to link your accounts by scanning QR codes or entering them manually. Make sure to enable backups for each account if prompted. You can manage your settings in the app for additional security options. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features and functionalities. With the Authy app installed and configured, you are now ready to use multi-factor authentication securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.